This is a big deal. There's no question about it. This is a significant moment.
The man who led the criminal investigation into the Flint water crisis for 3 years, confident tonight that justice is coming for the people of Flint. This as former Governor Rick Snyder wraps up his testimony today in several civil cases tied to the water emergency. Snyder answering questions about what his staff knew and when. Last night at 5, we explained why this could be a significant step in both the civil and criminal sides of this case. New at 6, our Ann Perrette spoke one-on-one with Todd Flood for a unique perspective on just how significant these hearings are.
The former special prosecutor in charge of the criminal investigation was fired in early 2019. Just months later, the new team in the Attorney General's office dropped all pending cases. With movement now on the civil side, Todd Flood has a message for the Flint community. Stay patient and hopeful.
I love my citizens of Flint. I love my friends in Flint, and be resilient, be patient. You have great lawyers working for you. You have great staff working for you. You have great public servants working for you.
Attorney Flood says former Governor Rick Snyder being compelled to undergo a deposition is a big win, a significant step towards justice for the people of Flint. The 2-day hearing is only happening because a court ruled Snyder is allowed to talk about what and when his staff knew about the water crisis. A legal battle over the full extent of Snyder's governmental immunity is still playing out in the courts. We do know Snyder testified under oath to Congress in March 2016 that he found out about the 2014 and 2015 Legionnaire's disease outbreaks in January 2016. But his aide, Harvey Hollins, says he told him earlier.
Later in 2015.
Okay. And when was that you told him?
December.
A key discrepancy Flood brought to light in one of the criminal cases.
Think about it. They don't know where exactly the coronavirus is, right? But they publish it every single day, and they tell you the protocols, and they tell you to stay at home. Think about Flint for a moment. Legionella was out there, right? But no one got notice. Just think if we got information that gave us notice in Flint, our loved ones could have survived.
Ethically, Flood couldn't say if he was close to criminally charging Snyder, but believes the new criminal team will be listening to what Snyder shares.
Patience is going to be the virtue here. I do believe ultimately that justice will come on both sides, on both the civil side for making people whole and bringing people back some remuneration, some money in their pockets, hopefully, and that justice on the criminal side will be served as well.
Because Snyder is giving a deposition in a civil case, what he says will not be made available to the public for some time. In Flint, I'm Ann Perrette, ABC 12 News.
And be sure to see with ABC 12 as these cases move forward. Online right now, you can find a further explanation of governmental immunity and how it applies in this case. Just head to abc12.com.